In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Now, first you want to open your document, then you want to go to the right hand side and you want to click on Edit PDF. In here up top, you can see in the middle it says crop page, so just click on that. And then from here, a crop tool is going to be selected and you just want to select whatever you want to crop. So let's say I want to crop this portion over here, so I'm going to just click and drag, and then whenever I release my left mouse button, that part is going to be kind of selected. Okay, you can of course adjust this. You could go and make it bigger, smaller, whatever, and then press the enter key on your keyboard and it's gonna open this set page boxes window. Now in here you can kind of see your selection over here. This is the crop selection. You can then apply these margin controls to crop box, to art box, trim box, whatever. You can change units over here as well, and then you can basically manually adjust these if you want to. Then you can go ahead and constrain proportions, remove white margins, etc. And whenever you're ready with all of these things over here, simply click on OK, and it's going to crop your PDF just like this. And as you can see here, I can do this as many times as I want and keep on pressing enter, and it's going to basically crop it. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.